Today we are doing some man things, TRD red axles. Okay. We got some Toyota TRD red axles that we will be installing in the Toyota Tundra today. Now, if you plan to lift your truck, you will need extended axles, and I plan to do the Westcott Designs lift this week, thus needing these extended axles, which I will try to install myself. We're gonna see how it goes. Now, if you guys wanna buy those axles for yourself, use my link and code in the description below, and it'll save you $40 off the axles, thanks to Rave Offroad. Let me offer a little bit of advice. First, you want to work on this side of the metal plate. This side, this only offers protection over a little rubber seal on the differential side. I also used a bunch of tools, small pry tools, a punch on these little metal grooves right there, or on the front face of that, trying to hit it that way. That did not work. What worked best was this pry tool, laying it flat on the surface right there, hitting it with a 2-pound sledge so it evenly pushes that axle and unseats it. And essentially what you are working against is this little C-ring right here. This is just a little bit bigger than the diameter of the shaft. So once you get those splines in, it locks in. But what you're trying to do is fight against that, get onto this side of the splines, allowing you to pull that axle out. When reinstalling the axle, make sure to protect the boot at all costs. I use a bungee cord and some cardboard to make sure I don't tear it. The first axle, I was able to compress it by hand and then hit it with the top of a hammer. And the second axle, I was actually able to do this all by hand with no hammer needed. Now that is a wrap, you guys. The first one took me 2 hours. The second one took me 40 minutes. So hopefully this video helps speed you guys up. On to the lift in the 37s to transform the rest of this truck. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.